Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 3 together. We need to write 7 root 2 over 5 minus 3 root 2 in the form a plus b root 2. In other words, we must find the whole numbers a and b. The method is called rationalising the denominator. To remove the square root from the bottom, we multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of 5 minus 3 root 2 is 5 plus 3 root 2, just the same terms with the middle sign flipped. So we multiply by 5 plus 3 root 2 over 5 plus 3 root 2. Since that fraction equals 1, we don't change the value, only the form. Let's expand the top. 7 root 2 times 5 is 35 root 2. And 7 root 2 times 3 root 2 is 21 times 2, which is 42. So the numerator is 35 root 2 plus 42. For the bottom, we have a difference of 2 squares. 5 squared minus 3 root 2, all squared. That's 25 minus 9 times 2, which is 25 minus 18, and that equals 7. Notice the root has disappeared. Now we divide each term by 7. 42 divided by 7 is 6, and 35 root 2 divided by 7 is 5 root 2. So the whole expression becomes 6 plus 5 root 2. Comparing with a plus b root 2, we read off a equals 6 and b equals 5. Well done, that's question 3 complete.